So let's take a look at half an hour ago when the cars went out onto the track. The second of their two practice sessions to define the grid for the race tomorrow, the Royal Horseman Club TT Celebrations, and spins all around. But the remarkable thing for the number 7 car, Philip Kaduri, he didn't hit anything. The Corvette Stingrays seemed to be the cars in trouble early on. But all but one of them got going all over again after spins. The number 3, not so lucky. That's Nick Jarvis showing that with Stig Blomqvist. And the pair didn't get many laps under the board. But the story today was the AC Cobras working their way forwards. Well, and in this case with Philip Kaduri sideways, and other cars could get it wrong too. This is number 18, the Lister Jaguar Coupe, going off the circuit in the hands of Benoit Trellier. Still very quick, 4th fastest today. But one of the Cobras coming forward was the 47 car. Romain Dumas made that 2nd fastest. There is Trellier with the door up. But the fastest driver today was Andre Lotterer, relishing the power and the grunt from the number 2 Cobra, and he has taken pole position for tomorrow's race.